Let me start with a question. What's the main problem this repo is solving?
It's solving the problem of extending the DeepSeek Harness, DSH, Web UI with plugins and skins. DSH is an AI assistant platform, and this repo provides a collection of extensions that make it more powerful and customizable for developers.
So who is this for? And what does it let them do that was hard or impossible before?
This is for developers working with DeepSeek Harness. It lets them add features like a task board, Git graph, right-side panel, remote mobile UI, a pet interface, live token stats, and a skin center. These features weren't available in the original DSH Web UI, or were difficult to implement without this plugin system.
How do the pieces of this repo fit together conceptually?
The repo follows the everything is a plugin philosophy. Each feature is implemented as a separate plugin or skin, which can be enabled or disabled independently. It allows developers to build a fully featured development environment by combining different plugins, or to keep the interface minimal.
What are two genuinely interesting technical or architectural ideas specific to this repo?
One key idea is the Liang-Shen mode, a two-phase preset for DeepSeek V4 Pro that balances performance and feature access. It starts with a minimal setup and then expands to full capabilities. Another is the mobile remote access feature, which uses server-sent events, SSE, for real-time synchronization between desktop and mobile devices.
How does the mobile remote access feature handle real-time updates and compatibility issues?
The mobile remote access feature uses SSE for real-time updates, which provides low-latency communication. However, if the network doesn't support SSE, the plugin automatically degrades to a polling mechanism, which is slower but still functional. It also supports tunneling through services like Cloudflare and Tailskill to ensure compatibility across different networks.
What about the Git graph feature? How does it enhance the development workflow?
The Git graph feature provides a visual representation of the repository's branch structure and commit history. It allows developers to navigate through different branches and track changes over time, making it easier to understand the project's evolution and identify potential conflicts or issues.
Can I use this repo without modifying the original DSH Web UI code?
Yes, all plugins are designed to be installed and activated through the official profile mechanism, without requiring any changes to the DSH Web UI source code. This makes it easy to extend and customize the interface without affecting the core functionality.
What are some of the limitations or known issues with this repo?
One limitation is that some features, like the task board and Git graph, require a specific setup and may not be fully compatible with all versions of DeepSeek Harness. Additionally, the mobile remote access feature may experience delays or connectivity issues in certain network environments, especially if SSE is not supported.
How does the task board work, and what makes it unique compared to other similar tools?
The task board allows users to organize tasks into columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. It supports automation with cron expressions for scheduling tasks, and it can even run tasks in the background when the browser is closed. This makes it particularly useful for repetitive tasks like automated testing or deployment processes.
What about the Skin Center? How does it enhance the user experience?
The Skin Center offers a variety of themes and visual customizations, allowing developers to personalize the interface according to their preferences. Users can preview skins before applying them, ensuring a better fit for their workflow.
How does the everything is a plugin philosophy benefit developers?
This philosophy allows developers to tailor their environment precisely to their needs. They can choose which features to use, disable unnecessary ones, and even develop their own plugins to add new functionality. This modularity makes the system more flexible and adaptable to different use cases.
What about the image understanding feature? How does it integrate with the existing system?
The image understanding feature uses a visual model to analyze images attached to messages or referenced by. It sends the image to an OpenAI-compatible visual endpoint, processes it, and returns the description as text. This allows the AI to understand and respond to visual content without requiring the image to be stored in the conversation history.
What about the remote SSH panel? How does it help with server management?
The remote SSH panel provides a web-based terminal, file transfer, port forwarding, and cluster execution capabilities. This allows developers to manage remote servers directly from the dsh-web UI, eliminating the need for additional tools or applications.
What is the significance of the Liangshen mode in the context of DeepSeek V4 Pro?
Liangshen mode is specifically designed for DeepSeek V4 Pro, aiming to optimize the performance of the AI model while maintaining access to essential tools. It ensures a balance between minimal setup and full functionality, making it an ideal choice for developers who want to maximize performance without sacrificing feature access.
How does the plugin system support extensibility and future development?
The plugin system is designed to be highly extensible. Developers can create and integrate new plugins that add features or modify existing ones. The system also supports third-party plugins, allowing the community to contribute and expand the capabilities of the platform.
What is the role of the pnpmworkspace.yaml file in this project?
The pnpmworkspace.yaml file defines the project structure and package relationships. It specifies which directories contain packages, sets up dependencies, and configures build settings. It helps manage the plugin and skin development environment efficiently.
Who should actually care about this repo?
If you're a developer working with DeepSeek Harness and want to enhance your workflow with powerful plugins and custom skins, this repo is for you.